So I'm Dave LeClair. I'm the Senior Director of Corporate Strategy at Stratus Technologies. Stratus is an availability solutions company that's been building solutions and hardware and software products that help keep our customers' applications up for many years. We're recently started to move and build a solution for OpenStack because we're finding OpenStack to be a really key platform that many enterprises are looking to move to as they're looking to create a private cloud environment. One of the things that we see these enterprises that are starting to try and build an OpenStack environment, they're trying to create an environment where they can get some additional agility and they can get things rolled out into their infrastructure with much greater speed and flexibility. And really that results with them gaining a competitive advantage over others in their industry who may not be adopting the latest and greatest cloud technologies. However, what we're seeing with some of those customers who are trying to do this is there are certain applications that move easily to a cloud environment, and there are others that may be more important applications to the business or more mission-critical applications that have some challenges ahead of them. Part of that is because the technologies in OpenStack and some of the cloud vendors are still maturing. It's very easy if you're going to move kind of a basic application for web processing or things like or non-critical applications. Those tend to move pretty easily. You can also move applications that you're writing from scratch that you know you're going to be putting into a cloud environment and build them to operate efficiently in that environment. But what we're finding is a lot of these enterprises have a desire to move thousands of applications. Many of them may be legacy applications that won't move easily to a cloud environment or will take some significant rewriting to move them to a cloud environment. And because of that, we're seeing these enterprises trying to build multi-year plans and try and determine which applications can move now, which applications can move later, and what will they have to do to actually move those applications. And that's where Stratus actually comes in. We see the availability challenges. Your cloud is going to become a critical resource for you. Your applications that run in your cloud are going to be serving your customers and your users who expect that cloud to be up and running 24/7, 365 days a year. Downtime is not going to be an acceptable result in that environment. Therefore, we saw it as an opportunity to take some of what we do as an availability company and apply it into this new environment around cloud. So Stratus is actually creating a software-defined availability solution that actually allows us to take some of our core IP around building fault-tolerant and highly available systems and bring it over into a cloud environment and into an OpenStack environment. And as we do so, we're allowing some of those enterprise customers to move some of their more business important and mission critical applications to the cloud, but we're also allowing them to do things that they might not have been able to do previously. Some of those applications may have variable requirements around availability. So for example, you may have a financial application that only needs to be run in a fault-tolerant environment 2 weeks of the year at the end of your fiscal year. The rest of the year, it's really not that critical. You need to access it, but it's not a mission-critical application except for that end-of-year processing. With a cloud environment, we can, and a software-defined availability solution, we can move that workload around and make sure that it's always running with the right level of availability at the right time. You can move it to a fault-tolerant environment when it's needed, move it back to a non-critical environment that's lower cost when it's not needed to be run in fault-tolerant. And we think those are the type of maturity and new solutions that have to be brought into the cloud environment to really have enterprises move their enterprise applications over.